What's up, guys? Welcome back to Kitchen Court Cases, where we watch court in my kitchen. Let's go ahead and join Judge Rangel for her docket that happened a little while ago. I love Judge Rangel. She's got a sassy attitude, and she's super sweet some of the time. If you're new here, please hit the like button or the dislike button, whichever works, and also subscribe. Thanks, guys.
Okay, everybody, good morning. I want everybody to know that we are on YouTube Live. Okay, that's the first thing I want to tell everybody. This is my Phoenix Project session. Excited about that. It is 9/06/45/2023. Let's get started. It took me a little bit to log on. I had a little bit of a problem. Okay, because we're starting a little bit late this morning. We've got, let me look at my participants. Oh my God, we've got lots of people here today. Let me see who I've got. Okay, Mr. Bazan. Let's take Mr. Bazan. Mr. Bazan. Hi, Mr. Bazan. I took you first today. Jennifer, I've been taking you last. I took you.
That's all right, Miss.
How are you doing?
How you doing?
I'm doing fabulous.
Good.
How are you doing?
I'm doing great. I'm doing great.
Tell me why you're doing great.
Oh, I'm just positive all around, Miss. Just positive all around. Life is good. I feel good.
Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that a beautiful way to live? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't that a
Yes,
beautiful
ma'am.
way to live? Do you get some time off from work for Easter or no?
We're gonna be off Friday. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. Good Friday. You're going to church?
Yes.
¿Vas a ir a misa?
I'm gonna go today and Sunday.
Really? Good for you.
See, Miss.
Good for you. That's good. That's good. I'm happy for you. And you take your wife. You're not going to come visit your son? No?
No, Miss. No, cause I go report next week.
Okay. So you have to space it. Okay, I understand. Okay. Anything we can do for you, Mr. Bazan? Anything we can do for you this week?
Yes. I wanted to see if we can do that marathon, Miss, but I really want to do it in on the favor of Mr. Salas too, Like I want to do a marathon and for him and show everybody that like I want to
Wow. Wow.
like I was thinking of maybe I wanted to do it, maybe people donating, but I don't know really nothing how to explain all that stuff, Miss. I'm not really good at things like that, but I I want to do a marathon for the people that they're going through depression, addictions, and all this, Miss, because it's important. It's important to listen to people how they feel, and
Mhm.
to they shouldn't be scared of saying how they feel to nobody because we're a family here. This program is definitely one of the best programs for me, and I'm pretty sure for a lot of people in this
Mhm.
program because it's important to let your emotions out. Sometimes you may feel happy, sometimes you may feel sad, and I think it's part of life. But sometimes when you speak about it, it takes all that pressure on top of you. So I would really love to do that marathon, Miss, and make it happen.
In memory, do this for me, Mr. Bazan. Do this in memory of Richard Salas, first of all, right?
Correct. Correct.
And then it is going to be a marathon of to bring awareness to addiction, not just alcohol addiction, right? But any addiction,
So
right?
everything. Yes.
Can you do me
Correct.
a big favor? Can you do me a big favor? I want you to do research. You're going to start this, and if you're serious about it, we'll do it. We'll do it. Phoenix Project will stand behind. I think it's a great idea. I think we'll staff it, but it's going to be a big project. But I think what it's going to do, you guys, it's going to be a big fundraiser. It'll be a fundraiser for all of us, for all the participants, to help
Correct, Your
them
Honor.
whatever they need. I think that may be a great idea. And what you do, Mr. Bazan, just to kind of answer one of your questions, you have to get sponsors. You have to get sponsors, big
Yeah.
corporate sponsors,
Okay.
sponsors that do this kind of charitable philanthropic work in the community. You know, corporations here in El Paso that do that. They give money for this. This is a beautiful idea. Okay, Mr. Bazan, it's you. This is your idea. This is what I want you to do. I want you to do research. I want you to see, to find out how many, if there are any marathons around the country, their focus is addiction. That's what I
Okay.
want to know, because I want to look at their model. Okay, because
Alrighty.
I know we have for mental health. I've seen mental health marathons. I've seen breast cancer marathons, right? I've seen
Correct.
veterans issue marathons. I don't know. Does anybody know of addiction? Does anybody know of any addiction, sobriety, recovery, that kind of stuff marathon in the United States? Anybody that is on Zoom right now? I've never heard of it. I've never heard of it. We may very well be the first in the country. I can't believe that. Can't believe that, but I don't know. Okay, so that's your job. And you come back next
Yes,
week
ma'am.
and you're going to report to me where they are, get some contact information if you find it, because then we will
Yes, ma'am.
contact them and see what we use them as a model. If we decide to do this, the staff has to figure this out, right? Has to decide we're going to do it, but I think
Correct.
that was a beautiful, Mr. Bazan, this is what I have to tell you. That was a beautiful gesture to make it in memory of Mr. Salas, right?
Yes,
To make it in
definitely.
memory of-
Definitely.
Or before we go any further, thank you for bringing him up. Do we have any word about his services yet? There is a GoFundMe. If anybody wants to, you want to put, there is a link. Can somebody put that on chat, or Miss, that just dawned on me. I got the link. Who's got the link to put it on chat? Somebody, please, Miss Caro.
I have the link on my phone. I just don't know how to put it on my computer. But let me try and figure that out.
How does she do it? She has it on her phone, Mr. Bazan. How does she put it on the link?
Mhm. I don't know if she can like copy and paste in the chat and we can just all click in it. I mean, I
Yeah,
don't
but
know.
I can't copy and paste from my phone to the computer.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
On her
It's okay.
computer. It's on her computer.
It's on my phone.
I mean, it's on
You
your.
would have to email the link to yourself.
Yourself, yeah.
Oh my God! Look at that color of hair, Miss Lopez.
Mr. Bazanes, it's a very beautiful idea that you have, and I wanted to thank you for that.
No, thank you guys. Thank you guys for giving me the opportunity to get it out there.
That's a beautiful idea. And that's going to fund a lot of things that we need.
Yeah,
There
I'll get to it. And,
Miss Sabrina just did it.
oh,
Miss
okay.
Sabrina, yay.
Thank
we
you,
have
Ms.
young,
Sabrina.
thank God we have young
You're
people.
welcome.
Thank you, Sabrina.
So they're trying to raise $2,000. I don't know how much they have raised so far. If anybody is so inclined to give $5, $10, that would be beautiful. I guess so they're waiting to raise the money. Miss, who's the probation officer? Is it Miss Chavez?
Yes, Your Honor. I was on the phone with the dad. He's on his way to do the services, to arrange the services, because I'll let you know after
Okay.
staffing some more details.
Okay, okay, but he is making the arrangements for services.
Yes,
That's all.
and he'll call me when he gets back
Perfect.
so we can share that.
Perfect. Perfect. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Maybe you can come down to the services and your father, if we decide to go forward with it, his father will allow you to announce that so that everybody can get behind this.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, anything that is necessary, I'll work my way around. So in my work and everything, so I can get involved in this.
I think we need to try to find, I think maybe that may bring the dad some comfort, right? That we all were so touched and moved by Mr. Salas's life and Mr. Salas's passing that we don't want it to die. We don't want it to die. Beautiful. That's a beautiful idea. Beautiful. Okay. Okay. So services are underway. Can people still contribute? Ms.
Yes,
Chavez?
Yes, it's still open.
Good.
And we
Still
told him we're sharing it to support him. He said, thank you very
Good,
much.
good. How much have they raised so far? Do you
I
know?
believe I just saw it. $870.
Oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. They're on their way to I think they need $2,000 is what they said.
Yes, Your Honor, that's the
They
goal.
needed, they're trying to raise 2,000. Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Any little bit helps, I'm sure. Any little bit will help. So anybody, if you feel so inclined, go and pay tribute to Mr. Salas. Thank you. Thank you. Mr. Bazan,
Definitely.
I'm glad I called you first for a reason. Now I know why.
Yes,
Now I
ma'am.
know why. You shared that with everybody. That's a beautiful, beautiful idea. Beautiful. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it, Mr. Bazan. I'm with you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
So what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? What is your homework to do for next week?
Look to see if any addictions, to see if marathon addictions or something, so I can get in touch with them.
Beautiful. Beautiful, 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 with contact numbers. Excellent.
Contact.
You listen good too. Go have a blessed Easter. Have a beautiful
You too.
Easter. And we'll see you next week. You'll be
Mr.
in town.
Cañas, Your Honor.
What?
The Officer Cañas.
Oh, Mr. Cañas.
Oh, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Did you want to say something, Mr. Cañas?
Just want to say that Mr. Bazan's been doing great still.
You're his probation officer. I forgot. I thought it was Chavez. I forgot, Mr. Cañas. Thank you. Thank you. Okay,
And
Mr.
then,
Cañas, have you heard of addiction?
I haven't heard of any addiction marathons, but I'd be more than willing to help Mr. Bazan out with doing some research as well.
Good, 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 good. I think we're onto something. I don't think there is. I don't know. There
And
has to.
then,
We can't be the inventor of this idea. But you might be, Mr. Bazan.
and then
Might be.
I do have another thing, Your Honor.
Tell me.
I was going to let you know too, I'm looking at sending a travel permit request because Mr. Bazan was looking to go to the dentist on the 22nd.
Perfect. Yes, sir. We've checked everything. He's clear. Everything is good. I think you're safe. Mr. Bazan, yes, sir. Done. You can do
All
it.
right.
Thank you,
luck.
Your Honor.
Thank you,
Okay.
Your Honor.
Beautiful. Thank you all. You may be excused. Have a wonderful day.
Your Honor, can we ask Miss Sabrina Correa
Guys, have an amazing day.
in the,
Bye,
Thank you,
Mr.
Mr.
Bazan.
Bazan.
Miss
Bye,
Sabrina-
guys.
Ask Miss Sabrina Correa what?
if she can also post it in the YouTube chat?
Miss Sabrina,
Yes, yes, I could do that.
Thank you.
Well, I thought that was very sweet indeed. And I hope that his marathon goes well. I was looking to see if I could find the GoFundMe, but I wasn't sure if it was the right one, so I'm not going to post it. But I will try and find some more info about his marathon and see how that ends up going. I really enjoy Judge Rangel. This is such a positive court, and she really seems to care very much for her participants. Well, guys, thanks again for watching some Court in My Kitchen. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please check back soon for more court, and I will talk to you later. Bye.